So back again, we already pulled most of the leaf off. Now you can see the structure. But I just take this tree from this container because a lot of the time you can see the container this level here inside right here. So you cannot see the trunk of the tree. You want to see this, and there's a plenty of the root we can use for the grow this plant. I tried to looking at this how much we can go, then showing the big trunk. A lot of time the big trunk is down right there. So I think we can open up like this. If the trunk not look nice, we can cover it with the soil. But I try to. This is the part you cannot do when you purchase at the nursery. At the nursery, you're not allowed to do that. Besides, you pay first. You may try to do this to see if any benefit. Maybe sometimes the bottom here is it looks tall, so you get the bigger trunk. The tree looks taller, because this one will be really, really low if you put the soil right here. But we can remove these branches. So get the right tool. Open up. You can see from here, this is smaller than here. That's not fun. So I don't like that part. See, I already opened up like a 1 inches right here. If you have the bigger trunk in the bottom, then you win 1 inches trunk. Remember, this is the front of the tree. When we're beginning, they may be changed. So after we open up, they may be changed. So I'm going to move this inside right here. We still remember that's the front of the tree. This is more than 1 inch already, from here to here. Look at it here. Nice root system. The apple is a good one. We have this soil, a lot of soil right here. The root system been developed, spread really nice. Still the problem right here, this is a smaller than here. There's no way we can change it. Some artists, I saw some artists, they use a piece of the wood like here and use the hammer, knock it. So kind of damage a little bit the tree, then it will be swallowed in the future. That's another technique you can do. But looking at how we can do the tree, it looks better. So this is still the front of the tree when we're beginning to do the design. After we take it out the soil down, and after we take this leaf off, you can see where's the front. Maybe we change, like I say at the beginning, this is the front right here. We maybe change it. A lot of beginners, they won't stop like this, looking at the tree like this, without put a different angle. So there's a lot of beauty with the different angle. Like so many people get the tree, basically you get the tree in the container and you keep plugging and the tree is still like that. But actually the angle is very, very important to find the beauty of the tree. Look at it right here. If I turn fast, you can see better. Look at this. Keep looking, keep looking. So I'm too close to the tree right now. I cannot see the tree, so I need to go back a little bit, looking at the tree. I like the angle right here, but it's hard to find the apex to design the tree. So all you can see here, all the branches is toward to this side. If we can wire this tree down, that would be better, but it's very hard to wire this tree down. Let's try the other way around. go this way. So this branches from this angle down at least 3 inches already. Still showing this nice angle right here. I may can go up a little bit more, see what they look like. I'm going to cut the tree because some branches is really bothering us. This one here, I'm going to cut it up because this is too small and too many branches right here and close to the main trunk. So this one clear, this one clear. So where's the front right now? I forgot. I think I select this one looking at this front right now. Let me get another chopstick. So this is the second. See, I put the 2 chopsticks instead of 1 chopstick. How to select the container? The height of the tree is the size of the container. Basically, that's how to look at. But we don't know where's the height first. I'm just making this kind of board because this is probably height of the tree. And the container can be smaller than the tree, like 80% of the height. When you put it the container like this, you will see the better angle. You can put it like this, you can put it like this, or you can put it like this. So which one talking to you? I'm right here, I cannot see it, but the trunk of the tree, most of the time, is the 1/3 of the container. That's the position. It's hard to look at the tree. With this, we'll be helping you. So you don't need to buy the container yet. We're going to design the tree. Later on, you measure it. What's the container you need it? Go to the nursery, find the container. Then we're going to repot it that. This is the technique I want to share with you. How to looking at the apex. You can see how nice is this branches right here, the flat right now. And this branches here pointed to you. We can make a little bit angle, see if we can solve that problem. This one is too much. We maybe just cut this off. There you go. If you decided like this angle, use your cellular phone to take a photo. Then you find out where's the triangle of the tree. That angle is with the top of the new apex. So where's the triangle of the tree? Definitely this one's too tall. Take this off. I don't think we need this one here too tall. Try to cut a little bit right here first. This help. Then we maybe need to wire this a little bit like this. This became like a new apex. Here we have 2 branches here. This is 2 parallel branches right here. You can see here. To close each other because we have nice branches in this side. I'm going to remove this one here. Good. Let's see from the other side. If this is the front and this is the back. Where's that? Yeah, right this side right here, right? We maybe can go like this. Maybe go like this. Again, we maybe can take this off. See right here? all right here. If you're not sure, you can put the angle. You can put the angle. Look in the tree. This tree maybe have a couple good options, but we have to select the one we're going to do.